I'm Jeff Deloge, Head of New Business Development here at Realty Solutions. Another frequently asked question by clients and potential clients is maintenance. Do you mark up maintenance costs? The question that comes after that typically is, if you don't mark up maintenance, which we don't, do we have to use your vendors? Because we have a list of preferred vendors that we prefer to use. So great question. The reason that we have a list of preferred vendors when we do not mark up maintenance is because three items. Number one is special pricing for our clients. Two is response time. All of our vendors are outsourced. They are not in-house maintenance. So they do have special response time. They put us ahead of the general public. So if you were off the streets, open up the Yellow Pages phone book, call this vendor for a plumbing call or whatever trade that it may be, they may not give you the same quick response time as if you were a Realty Solutions client. And number three is they act as extra eyes and ears on the property. And what that means is if there's a plumbing call that happens, the plumber might show up to the property, handle the plumbing call. Might be a very simple leak of some sort. While they're there, if they happen to notice something else at the property, they would get to the property manager immediately to let them know that, hey, this might be something that you want to let your owner know about. So those three items are generally the reason why we call them preferred vendors, because we send them work orders. We don't have to worry about any outside relationships that we don't already have established with these preferred vendors, and it really simplifies the process for us to be able to manage your property to the fullest capacity. Thanks so much for listening. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact me directly at my information below. Thanks. Have a great day.